Hey guys, just kind of wanted to give you some help on the homework assignment from today. It seems to be some confusion whenever you see a problem kind of like this. So yeah, like I said, just another example here. So we've got 4 times the sum of 3 to the power of I, where I equals 0, and our last term is going to be up to 6. We're going to do this up to 6. 6 will be the last number that we plug in here. So the biggest difference between this problem and some of the stuff that I showed you in the videos is I kept using 1 for the index, and then I was having to subtract 1 up here. Since we're starting at 0, and we're finding the sum of 7 terms, going all the way up to 6, there's no need to subtract 1 here. So anyways, if I try to expand this so you kind of get a better feel for what's going on, and again, I'm finding the sum of 7 terms, and then I'm just multiplying that sum by 4. Not a huge deal. So if I expand this, I'm finding the sum of 3 to the power of, now I'm starting at 0, so I'm doing 3 to the power of 0, plus 3 to the power of 1, plus 3 to the power of 2, plus 3 to the power of 3, plus 3 to the power of 4, plus 3 to the power of 5, plus 3 to the power of 6, and now I'm done writing out this sequence because I had to stop at 6 as defined by this sigma notation, right? Okay, so one option, right, is to just go about and simplify all these and then add them up add all of them up individually. But probably an easier method is just to use Euclid's method, right? So all we need for that is the last term. We just need the value of the last term. We'll multiply that by our ratio, like what we're multiplying by every time. We'll subtract the value of the first term. It's taking quite a bit, it's okay. And then we'll divide by the ratio minus 1. Okay, so let's find these things. The ratio is 3, multiplying by 3 every time. The first term that I'm subtracting is actually just 1. 3 to the power of 0. Remember, anything to the power of 0 is just 1. So my ratio, what I'm plugging in for the ratio is 3. What am I plugging in for the first term? Well, that is going to be just 1. And then the last term, that's whatever 3 to the power of 6 is. So 3 to the power of 6, just be careful, 3 to the power of 6 is not 18. We're doing 3 times 3 times 3, 6 times. And that is going to be 729. You might need a calculator to do that, and that's fine. So anyways, the last term, what am I plugging in for the last term is 729. All right, so let's plug these things in. We'll simplify, and we'll get the sum of these 7 terms. The last term, again, is 729. 729 times our common ratio of 3 minus the first term of 1. Divided by the ratio minus 1. So we're doing, actually on this, we're going to be doing 3 minus 1. Okay, so on our calculators again, 729 times 3 is 2,187. 2,187 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So that's going to simplify to 2,186. That's just subtracting 1 there, and divided by 2. Minus 1's 2 there. Okay, so our sum of these 7 terms is going to be, again, just going back to the calculator, 2186 divided by 2, and we get 1093. Okay, so this again is the sum of our 7 terms. Sum of the 7 terms is 1093, but I am multiplying that sum by 4. So for 4 times the sum of these 7 terms, I would go 4 times 1093. And 4 times 1093, that is going to be 4,372. Awesome. All right, so anyways, I hope this helps you out with your homework assignment. This will be like the final solution right here after multiplying by 4. Again, if you ever need any help, just send me a message on Schoology or like a Gmail account or whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in class. Bye-bye.